What is an LED screen? Why you see it everywhere? Have you ever wondered why everywhere you go, shopping malls, stadiums, airports, even your favorite cafe, there are these huge, bright screens showing us videos or live content? Yep, those are LED screens. But what exactly is an LED screen? And why has it suddenly become so common everywhere? Let us break it down. First, LED stands for light emitting diode. Simply put, it is a tiny light that can change color to display images or videos. When you put thousands or even millions of these tiny lights together in a panel, you get an LED screen. Unlike old TV and or projectors, LED screens are bright enough to be seen clearly even in direct sunlight, which is why you often see them outside on billboards or stadiums. Indoors, they are used for advertising, events, or even interactive art installations. So why is it everywhere now? There are a few key reasons. Brightness visibility. LED lights are super bright, so whether it is sunny or dark, you can see the image clearly. Flexibility in size shape. You can make them tiny or huge, flat or even curved. Ever seen a wavy LED wall in a mall? That is LED magic. Energy efficiency. Compared to older technologies, LEDs use much less power, making them cheaper to run. Long lifespan. A good LED screen can last 10 years or more, which is great for businesses that don't want to replace screens all the time. Let us look at some real-life examples. Shopping malls. Curved LED walls catch your attention with bright visuals or promotions. Airports and train stations. You can check flight info, safety instructions, or advertisements instantly. Concerts and stadiums. Huge LED screens show live performances or stars, making the experience immersive. Retail stores. Flagship stores use LED screens to show brand stories, product demos, or interactive content. There is a high chance it is an LED screen. The reason LED screens have become mainstream is simple. They just work better than anything else. They're brighter, flexible, durable, and can be customized to fit almost any creative idea. Even small businesses are starting to use LED screens for promotions, because the technology has become more affordable and easy to install. So next time you see a giant screen lighting up a mall or stadium, you'll know exactly what it is, and why LED screens are taking over the world one pixel at a time. If you want to learn more about LED screens, different types, and how they work, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next video in our LED series.